In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a loading screen in Roblox Studio quickly and easily. First, start by opening your game in Roblox Studio, and once your project is loaded, just go to the toolbox, and if it is not visible by default, you can just go ahead and click on toolbox and you will see it will be visible. And now make sure you are in the creator store, and in the search bar just search for loading screen GUI and just wait for the results to load, and you will see different loading screen. Now choose one that you like and just click on it to insert it in your game. Let's say I want to go with this particular loading screen because it has good reviews. So I'll just click on it and just click on yes if prompted, and you will see our loading screen will be inserted and it will appear in your explorer panel. Now just click and drag it inside the starter GUI. Just drag it inside the starter GUI and you will see it will be successfully inserted. Now just click on the little drop down icon for the loading and just click on drop down again on the main frame. From here you can edit your title by just clicking on it, and when you double click on it you can add any text. You can add any text. In my case I'm gonna add GuideRealm like so, and you can even add your tips. So just double click and you will see you can add your tips. So I'm just gonna skip this for now, but as you can see we have successfully added our loading screen. So I'll just go ahead and play it. Your loading screen should now appear at the start of game and disappear when the game finishes loading. So I'll just wait for it to finish. And as you can see our game has been successfully loaded and we have added our loading screen. And that's it. That's how you add a loading screen in Roblox Studio. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.